What if I told you that people are making money on YouTube without showing their face, without recording videos, and sometimes without even speaking? This is called YouTube automation. Stay till the end. I'll show you the exact AI tools behind this. YouTube automation means running a YouTube channel where everything is done using systems and AI, not by you personally. No face, no camera, no daily headache. The script, the voice, the video, even the upload process can all be automated. And yes, this is 100% allowed by YouTube. It's a completely legitimate way to build a content business. Think about it. Creating an asset that works for you around the clock, generating views and income while you focus on other things. It's about building a system, a machine that produces content for you. Before we go deeper, if you like smart income ideas like this, do me a quick favor, like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future strategies. It really helps the channel out. Now, let me show you how the money is actually made. So, how do these channels make money? There are three main ways. The first and most common is through YouTube ads, also known as AdSense. Once your channel is monetized and your videos start getting views, YouTube places ads on them and pays you a share of the revenue automatically. The second way is through affiliate links. You can recommend products or services in your video description and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. The third method is by selling your own digital products or services, like ebooks, courses, or consulting. Once the videos start getting views, the income streams start to flow, but the niche you choose decides everything. Automation works best in what we call high CPM niches. CPM stands for cost per mil, which is how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views. A higher CPM means more money in your pocket for the same number of views. So what are these golden niches? Think about topics like AI and technology, finance and money management, motivation and self-improvement, fascinating facts and documentaries, and luxury lifestyle or top 10 list videos. These topics attract advertisers with deep pockets. And the best part, you don't even need to be an expert in these fields. You can leverage AI to do the research and create the content for you. So here's the simple automation flow. First, an AI tool writes the script for your video. Second, another AI tool creates a realistic, human-like voiceover from that script. Third, a different AI-powered tool or software uses stock footage and graphics to create the actual video. And finally, you upload it. That's it. One video created this way can continue to earn you money again and again, for months or even years, even while you sleep. This is where most beginners make mistakes though. They see the simplicity and jump in without a real strategy. Let's talk about the common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, trying to copy other viral videos exactly. What worked for them won't necessarily work for you, and it's not a sustainable strategy. Mistake number 2, no hooks. They create a video without a strong attention-grabbing opening, and viewers click away within seconds. Mistake number 3, choosing the wrong niche. They pick a topic they're passionate about but has a very low CPM or a tiny audience, making it incredibly hard to earn anything significant. You have to avoid these pitfalls to succeed. Let me show you the correct strategy. So what do successful automation channels do differently? They focus on a few key things. First, a super strong hook in the first 5 seconds. You must give the viewer a compelling reason to stick around. Second, simple storytelling. Even in a facts-based video, structuring the information like a story with a beginning, middle, and end keeps people engaged. And third, consistency, not perfection. They focus on getting videos out regularly, even 1 video per day, rather than spending weeks trying to make one video absolutely perfect. This consistency builds momentum with the YouTube algorithm and your audience. Even 1 video per day can change everything for your channel. Now for the question everyone asks, how much can you actually earn from this? Let's be realistic. For small channels just starting out, you might be looking at $5 to $20 per day once you're monetized. As your channel grows to a medium size, that could increase to a few hundred or even $1,000 per month. For the big, established automation channels, we're talking about thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars every single month. It all depends on your views and your niche. This is not some get-rich-quick magic trick. It's a real business that requires patience and a smart strategy. Now, as promised, let me finally tell you the tools that make this all possible. Alright, here are the tools that power this entire operation. For writing scripts, I use ChatGPT. You can give it a topic, and it will generate a full script for you in minutes. For the voiceover, I use a tool called 11 Labs. It creates incredibly realistic AI voices that don't sound robotic at all. And for creating the video itself, combining stock footage, text, and music, I use CapCut, which is powerful and easy to learn. These tools can genuinely automate about 80% of the entire content creation workflow, saving you a massive amount of time and effort. So there you have it. That's the blueprint for YouTube automation. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial where I build a channel from scratch using these exact tools, comment the word automation down below. If I see enough comments, I'll make it my next video. Remember, don't just work hard, work smart with the iHustle Hub. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.